What you got there? Hold on.
Louise, what is that?
What's in your mouth? What's in your mouth?
It's radioactive.
What's in your mouth? Come here. Come here. Come here. What's in your mouth? Don't let her in. Don't let her in. Don't let her in. What is in your mouth? Drop it. What is in your mouth? Let it out.
Do you want me to let it out?
Try to dig it out of her mouth.
What do you think it is? She's radioactive!
It's just the puppy Geiger counter.
Toy.
This is the puppy Geiger counter.
Let me wind her up.
Hold on, baby. What are you doing? Hold on.
That's a cicada.
I heard that noise and I was like, what is that? Gosh, those are really loud tonight. And she ran in the house.
What is this?
What is it?
Wait, watch. Watch.
Louise!
Wait. No.
It's a cicada!
Give me it. There it is. Mr. Cicada.